Hi, I am Ivan Beltrame and I live in Italy. I've created IvanMusic, a service that helps you visualize your Spotify statistics. Music trackers are commonly used by many people to discover their favorite artists and tracks. When you visit the website, you will see a prompt asking you to log in with your Spotify account. The login system is entirely secure and managed by Spotify itself using the latest and safest credential exchange method OAuth 2.0. Once you log in, you will see this screen. If you click on your underlined name, it will simply redirect you on your Spotify profile. On the statistics page, you have to set a filter to decide what statistics you want to see, the type, artists or tracks, the time range, and the maximum number of results. After you set the filter, you can then click the See Stats button. The website will return a list based on the filter you choose. To run my Python project and host the website, you will need to create an app on Spotify for developers. To do this, simply log in with your Spotify account on the official website and access the dashboard, where you will be prompted to create a new app. Before running the Python project.py file, you need to set two environment variables, client ID and redirect URI, which you can find on the apps page you created. The project is structured with a main file called project.py, in which there is all the code of the project. There is also a template folder with all the HTML files, and at last there is the static folder with all the images and the style sheet of the project. This was CS50P.